What's in a fog? You had to stop here. There's no intercom. There is. Oh, there is an intercom.
All my skincare just came in. The Ordinary set. And my new Beats. Hey. I don't think this is the latest though. But it's pink. So. Oh my gosh. They're little. That's so cute. Already eating off of it. Waiting on the shakes. I have a lot of lookalikes, so I'm gonna do a I did that today. Trying to get newer dogs. I'm tired of the one I'm at and the people. Some of them. Strong, Pilates, and numerous ones. I wish that could happen anyway, but it's just all the work too at the jungle. It's unappreciated. the doctor. I'm gonna edit this video that I'm recording now. Everything's inside out. I don't have my mic with me. It's so cold in here. I've been waiting a long time. I lost my jacket. I knew I should have brought it. I know I should have. And I've got to use the bathroom. Hi.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. This is off of here. You feeling better?
Yes, sir, I am.
Yeah. That's what it's a little longer to heal, but doing what you're doing, I should be able to release you back to work. You still doing that Silvadene on it? Yeah.
He just took the band-aid off of it.
Yeah. So it's gonna heal slow because it has to heal like this. So it has to granulate the skin back. So it's gonna take a while to heal. So when you're not at work, try to keep it clean and dry, just open the air, let air out. Okay? You don't necessarily have to do the Silvadene every day now. Okay? Kind of let it start airing out.
Okay.
Alright?
Awesome.
But it looks great.
It does. Doors stay open. That was scary. They suddenly changed. Oh.
There you go.
Yay. Awesome.
You have a good day, alright?
Thank you. There she goes. Who was that? There's people in a car honking. Favorite place?
What's that?
My other favorite place? I got a 7 brewer. They put too much. Hold on. They did not mix it all the way. All the stuff's still at the bottom. Still good though.
Got you, Miss Alger.